Yeah, bye. I don't know what my dad wanted. He just is going to be coming home early from work just to tell me something. I don't know, but he sounded really angry on the phone.
Dude, your phone's so old.
What, this phone?
Yeah.
Get out of there!
What? Why were you looking at Shrek?
It's not my fault that I got a shitty ass phone. I'm sorry, but
dude, well, what happened to your old phone? You had an iPhone.
My dad destroyed my phone, my old one, my blue iPhone.
Seriously?
On Christmas Eve. So then on Christmas Day, my mom found this old phone and gave it to me.
Well, geez.
It works like a charm.
She probably got it out. She probably one of her old phones that she just found laying around and she gave it to you out of pity. I don't imagine that being like something she bought at the store.
Are we just gonna record?
Can you even get those at stores?
Are we just gonna record the video?
Yeah, sure. All right, are you ready?
Not as old as a Nokia. Okay.
All right, do your intro.
All right. So, anyways, guys, hello everyone. This is.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. You came home really early.
Yeah, because I saw on the YouTube you put that video back on there of me smashing your computer.
Wait, what? I deleted that video. How do you know?
I saw it back on YouTube today, dude.
Well, I don't know. Was it you guys that re-uploaded it? You guys got my YouTube, right?
You know what?
What?
I really don't care if it was you or Caitlin over there or Owen over here. I really don't care.
His name's
Because I'm about ready to lose my shit.
Alright. Owen, was it you?
No, that's it. I'm done. I'm taking your technology. Your stupid little...
Dad.
Listen to me. Bring it down a little bit. I'm going to take your little cell phone here, your little flip phone, girly phone. I'm snapping it in half. I'm done with this. I'm so done with this stuff. I'm just done.
Jesus, fuck. Okay, back up.
Take.
Jesus, okay,
Come here, Owen.
Dad,
I'm having with
okay,
you.
oh my god, oh, fuck. Okay, seriously, Dad? Jesus.